To switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into Google Services right here, select all services, and then navigate into Google Search Assistant and Voice. In case that you have infinite loading like I have currently, this is a bug that we can simply fix by restarting a settings and going to the Google Services until we can see actually all services like it should right now. If not, we can try again until it's loaded. Now scroll down and, as I said, find Search Assistant and Voice, and then you can go for either Google Assistant and Gemini. They both will have different setups, so if you want to use Google Assistant, click on it right here and scroll down to the digital assistants from Google and make sure that the Google Assistant is toggled. If you want to use Gemini, click on Gemini and then More and use Gemini. That way you'll be able to switch to Gemini instead. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.